Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the government pharmacist exam. To begin, it is crucial to thoroughly understand the exam's syllabus and format. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to expect and where to direct your efforts. Next, develop a structured study schedule. Consistency is key, so allocate specific times each day or week for dedicated study sessions. Finally, prioritize foundational pharmaceutical knowledge, including pharmacology, pharmaceutics, and relevant government regulations. This comprehensive approach will set a strong groundwork for your success. To maximize your learning, incorporate effective study techniques. Active recall is incredibly powerful. Use flashcards or quiz yourself regularly on key concepts. This method actively retrieves information, strengthening your memory. Pair this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to embed knowledge deeply into your long-term memory. When faced with complex topics, break them down into smaller, more digestible sections. This makes learning less overwhelming and more efficient, allowing you to master each component before moving on. Selecting the right resources is paramount for your preparation. Always consult the official government pharmacist exam guidelines and any recommended textbooks. These are your primary sources of truth. Supplement this with reputable online question banks and practice tests. These resources provide invaluable exposure to exam-style questions and help you identify areas needing more attention. Additionally, consider joining study groups or online forums. Collaborative learning can offer new perspectives, clarify doubts, and keep you motivated throughout your rigorous study journey. Consistent practice and self-assessment are non-negotiable for exam success. Regularly take full-length practice exams, simulating actual test conditions with strict time limits. This builds stamina and familiarizes you with the exam pace. After each practice test, meticulously analyze your incorrect answers. Understand not just what the right answer is, but why your initial choice was wrong, focusing on the underlying concepts. Finally, use these insights to review and revise your weak areas, transforming them into strengths before the actual examination day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.